this chart is going to produce a massive opportunity when completed. So pay attention as I bring out the details in this chart and how you can take advantage of it in the nearest future. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next video. So this is the 4 hours time frame chart of EURGBP, and we're having a falling wedge, and a falling wedge is a bullish reversal pattern. That means what is going to give us is a breakout to the upside. That means we're going to get a bullish move when the pattern is completed. And we have this set of lows here and lots of liquidity just below those lows. So the price is right now clearing those liquidities, taking out the stops of all the retail traders that have put their stops within this area. This is what market makers do. If you understand price action and understand how smart money trade, you will not be a victim of all the stop hunts. Okay, we expect the price to get to the bottom of this wedge, okay, then gradually begin to bounce back into this very area. So the sweet spot of this very pattern is for us to see a break out of this wedge. When we get the price break outside of this wedge, then we should see price moving up. That is exactly how to approach this EURGBP. Get ready for it. Watch what happens as price hits this very wedge bottom, and we should expect a break. Just be patient with the market and allow the market show you the direction to take. Thank you for watching. Ensure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and do have a great day.